Hi friends, if you belong to a category of making videos, then this tool Video Scribe is for you. Using this tool, you can create your videos very impressive and appealing. Why to wait? Let's go and learn. Okay, first go to your browser, search Video Scribe in the browser, then you will get the search hits. Select the first one, Video Scribe Whiteboard Maker. Then the website homepage looks like this. Sparkle is the one from which you download, and here pricing is there, free trial. We'll go to free trial. Once you are satisfied with the free tool, then you can go purchasing. It is somewhat costly, but if you are a dedicated video maker, you can go for this. First go to the free trial. Once you select the free trial, the page appear like this. Give the credential, first name, second last name, and your mail IDs, password, and then agree. Then create your account, free account. Here I am going for a free version. I already downloaded the free trial. So after downloading the free trial, we will go to our desktop shortcut where that tool is present. Select the icon, shortcut icon for Video Scribe on your desktop. Please check this while installing to create a shortcut key on the desktop. After selecting the shortcut, we will go to our main page. The page is appearing, Video Scribe, and just click on the credentials, then select create a new scribe. Then this is the panel where our work is stored. There are several options on this page: save, cut, copy, paste, music, mic, and brush, hand tool, and the play version, and here the images and text. And this is the area where our work is going on. You can select, explore all of them, and it is very easy to. Now I am starting a simple demo. Add on this image. It gives you list of stock and text. Add the image. There are many images that are there. Explore them. You can zoom in and zoom out. You can also add the text, and using different font sizes you can adjust. Just explore. After that you have to select this tick mark. For everything you have to select the tick mark. Then this text also you can zoom in or zoom out. Otherwise we can just adjust the settings just by clicking on the areas. Wherever the boxes are there, when you click, the box appears, and you can adjust the settings to zoom in and zoom out. Then we'll go call out box and adjust the setting. Place call out in a particular position, suitable position. Drag our text so that to fit into the call out box. Drag the text and adjust the settings. After fitting both of them, we'll add another image of another person, male. Select any image from the repository. After selecting, just click the one, and you can adjust the zoom in and zoom out option. This is actually our process of building up of storyboard. We can adjust even the timings, how many seconds it has to be played, adjusting, decreasing or increasing, and we can just shift the. Now we will preview this story from here. Watch our work from time to time, how it is done on the storyboard. Yes, we are missing the text. Text has to come just after the call out box. We can adjust that later. If we want, we can give voiceover, or we can select the music from the repository. After our work is done, then go to this tab, download or publish scribe video. Then a box appears. In this window, you will see different options for storing or saving our work, downloading, and we can save it as a PPT also. Different file locations, you can explore anything. There are 4 options here: download to get an embed link and to play on Vimeo, and download on as PPT. Now we are going to, I'm now clicking on this download button. After downloading, we will automatically watch the video. Download and give the settings. Title where it should be stored. I selected my desktop and the file is MOV file. Later we can convert if we want using some video converters, and everything is done. Then select. And when it is downloading, we will see this progress bar. The bar is progressing. It has to reach the end, then the video would be completed. Now it's progressing. When it's done, the video automatically plays. Close the video and we can check on our desktop where it is stored. Here it is stored, video, demo video. Just select that demo video. In free trial versions, we will see this watermark appearing on our videos. In the paid versions, it won't be there. After playing the video, we came to the workspace. Here, now we would like to, we can also store the video here in the save button. Just click the save button. This window appears. Give the name here, and this is the default folder. You can select this one. Then the video is saved in the Video Scribe site. Remember, this site free version works only online. That's all. I did a simple demo, but you can definitely do better than me. Just explore different options for doing, and you can do wonders. Thanks for watching.